Hi there, it's Ed again from BrightSign. Many users just use BrightSign in their home language, but some want to teach signs in more than one. To do this, you can use BrightSign's multilingual features. To access them, tap on the gear icon in the top right-hand corner and then tap on the My Voice settings page. Press the button to add another voice and then pick your chosen options, like language and accent, just like you did when you first set BrightSign up, but now for the new language you want to add. Press the Save Voice button to select it and add it to your list of saved favorite voices. This way you can teach BrightSign signs in multiple languages and quickly switch between the voice you use by tapping on the items in this list. But what if you want to use BrightSign in a language you don't speak? By enabling vacation mode, BrightSign will use AI cloud translation systems to translate the signs you do into whatever language you've selected and then output that instead. When you get home, just turn it off and you can sign like normal. Have fun on your travels.